We talk about degrees and global warming and climate change and climate action and climate protection. But from my experience, and I think everyone will understand it, the climate does not need any protection. It's not about the climate. What we're talking is not affecting the climate, and the climate is actually just the climate no matter how warm it is. Even a 4 degrees warmer climate is just the climate. So what are we doing and what are we talking about if we are not protecting the climate? And it's not about the climate. I think it's vice versa. It's about us. The climate doesn't care. The climate does not need us, but we need a climate that has the potential to live in as an open and free society, as human beings, as mankind. We need climate. So climate protection is not about protecting the climate, but protecting freedom, an open and free society. That's what it's all about. And maybe sometimes we do not make it clear enough. Freedom, and there's a mistake many politicians and sometimes many voters made, freedom is not living a life without any rules. And I would say even not a life living without any restrictions. Freedom is sometimes only antisocial. So freedom is about deciding in your lifetime which rules should apply to your life, which limitations we freely want to follow. That's what freedom and a liberal democracy is all about. And it's exactly this opportunity, this ability to decide about the rules of your life in the future will not be there if we face a world beyond 1.52 degrees. That will be taken away from us. My whole point is we should not talk about climate protection only. We should talk about freedom protection. When we do climate action, we are protecting, and this time I'd like to say we are defending the freedom. Thank you very much.